Hi guys, Mr. Ben here. Right now I'm going to show you how to have a video play something like this, our new BTS.
Press go.
Press go. So have a message like this, and then our students can push the keyboard like I showed you guys earlier today. But you're dancing along, and the idea here is to get our students to be able to tell us when they want to have more or press go or hear more. So with a simple click of the button, they can press go, and that shows us that that's purposeful, right? And you can adjust the time, how often you want it to stop, you know what I mean? I think I adjusted it for maybe 16 seconds or 17 seconds, we'll see.
Press go.
Right? So, and again, I showed you, it doesn't matter, like really, you could press any key on the keyboard and it'll press go. So let me go ahead and stop them right now and show you how to do it. So open up an internet browser, whichever one, and what you're going to do is you're going to type in TarHeel Reader or TarHeel Gameplay, and look, it comes right up in Google. Okay, so here it is right here, TarHeelGameplay, and there are many to choose from. You can find ones and you can just do a search for things, but that's not what this video is for. Create a gameplay, right? And so now it's asking you right here the YouTube video ID or URL. So I'm going to go over here to another one that I have, and I'm going to type in YouTube, okay? And I'm going to do a search for that band that we just listened to, which is what? BTS. Look, Dynamite is that first one. I guess they're pretty popular. And there it is, official video. So we're going to click on that.
Make your writing
we're gonna,
clear and concise,
wait for this ad to go away. That's fine.
That's
because it's doing so well, BTS, right? We're gonna pause that, and we're just gonna go right up here to the URL. We're gonna copy and paste, or however you copy, right? And then you're gonna go back over here to the TarHeel gameplay that we had, and it's asking for the URL. And so we paste it right in there, right? And then we load it. Okay, and we wait for it to load. It's there. Now it's saying pause every how many seconds? Well, 5 seconds is pretty often. So I would say at least 15 to give our kids a chance to hear it, right? And then you can have whatever message you want, or keep listening, right? Just for an example. And then you just go ahead and play it. And there it goes. And so now you present this on iPad or any device really that you have internet capabilities, and it's going to pop up with a message that says
keep listening.
Keep listening. And then you push a button, any button, and there you go. I hope this is a cool resource for you guys. See you soon.